Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to import a CSV file into Mailchimp. We'll go step by step from the dashboard all the way to a successful upload, and I'll also share some practical tips to help you avoid common errors so your contact list is ready to use right away. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what a CSV file is. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format where each column represents a field and each row represents a contact. It's the most common format for uploading contact lists. Once you're signed into Mailchimp, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where all your contacts are stored and managed. From there, go to the top right corner, click on Add Contacts, and then choose Import Contacts. This option allows you to upload multiple contacts at once instead of entering them manually. On the import screen, select the Upload File option. This is ideal if you already have your CSV file prepared. You can either drag and drop your file into the upload area or browse your computer to locate and select it. Once uploaded, give Mailchimp a moment to process the file. To ensure everything imports correctly, it's important to follow Mailchimp's recommended format. If you're unsure, you can compare your file with Mailchimp's sample CSV. Make sure the email address column is included and spelled correctly, as this is required. Avoid using merged cells, formulas, or special characters in your column headers. Keep date formats consistent, and if you're including phone numbers, add the appropriate country codes. If you plan to use tags or groups, make sure they are clearly defined in separate columns. Before uploading, it's also a good idea to clean your data. Remove duplicate entries and fix any obvious errors or typos. Mailchimp uses the email address to identify unique contacts, so having a clean file will prevent duplicates and keep your audience organized. Also, only import contacts who have given you permission to email them. This helps protect your sender reputation and improves email deliverability. If Mailchimp detects any issues during the import process, it will show you an error message. Take note of it, make the necessary corrections in your spreadsheet, save the file again as a CSV, and then re-upload it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clear and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.